Hey, what's up everybody? I'm on the side of the road looking at these wood slabs. I wonder how much they are. Oh, they get all kind. Hey, how's it? Well, I'm gonna start taking a look at some of these. Well, here's a piece of wood that we bought. I'm gonna make it into a table. It'll probably hold our TV. I'm kind of worried about the width. It's going to take a lot of sanding. This is a monkey pod, but I'm pretty happy to get that piece. Let's see if the TV fits on it. Yep, just makes it perfect. It was pretty good since I didn't even measure it, just eyeballed it. But yeah, gotta figure out how I'm gonna make the base. Probably gonna make the base out of ohia. Not sure how high I'm gonna make it. It does seem a bit high sitting down here, but we'll see. We'll take you on that journey as we make our table. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.